Pushback or what?
Slides is attached to form rafts. As you leave the aircraft, inflate your life jacket by pulling the left tab. If necessary, blow into this mouthpiece to top up the air. The life jacket is fitted with a light.
There's a flight coming into John F. Kennedy right now.
Your oxygen mask is behind the panel just above your head. If the cabin air system should fail, this will be released. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you to open your supply. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Place it over your mouth and nose and adjust the band to draw. Then breathe in.
Airbus A318 is going to London City, carrying business travellers. Business travellers only. JetBlue. Going to go over the Jamaica Van Wyck Expressway in a moment. This is a shortcut to runway 13 right for this departure, and it's going to be the departure is going to be a Rockaway departure, far Rockaway departure.
Thank you. Seats for takeoff, please. Cabin crew, seats for takeoff.
See two Dreamliners at Terminal 1 here. This one here belonging to View here is Japan Airlines, and the other one behind it is Norwegian long haul. Going to make this flight to London Gatwick or Oslo. And the aircraft in view is Lufthansa, a Boeing 747-8. See Ethiopian waiting for us to pass by. Ways down there. Well, there's nothing much to see here, but I'll continue once we get to the runway for takeoff. So we're taking off from runway 13 right. And it's going to be a far Rockaway departure, I believe, which is my guess. The Lufthansa flight, here we go. Whoa, here we go. Let's go home. This is my favourite bit of all on planes take off. Oh, FedEx! Whoa, feel that power. Full thrust, max thrust. Oh, whoa, rotating. Whoa! Oh. Woohoo! So long, New York. We'll look forward to seeing you again in the near future. What a nice view of JFK from the plane. Whoa, nice. Nice. Can't see a view of Manhattan, unfortunately, because we're flying northeast. Flying northeast, yeah. Flying over Queens and Long Island, mostly around Queens and Long Island. This is the neighbourhood around Queens and Long Island.
Except now it's very open. It's like
Oh yeah.
It's like messed up. It's something like it's a big one.
Leopards. Oh, so we're over Queens and here we go. Off back home to London. Whoa! Look at that cloud. Way. Off to London now. Off to London. Back home. Back to home, sweet home for me. Flying over Long Island and parts of outer New York State. So there's a baseball ground down there. There's nothing else to see here though, so I think you can stop filming.